What did you think was going to happen there? It wasn't her. It was this lady. Just ahead in the black i3. Hi! Should you be using your phone? And? I'm allowed to be here. That's not what the highway code says. You maybe better check it out, huh? Including about using your phone whilst driving.
I'm not driving.
This is considered driving. So I'm going to be reporting to the police. So within about 2 weeks they should send you a letter, assuming they choose to prosecute you. Lima Charlie 71 Oscar X-ray Whiskey. You're required to share the road even when cyclists are not in the cycle lane. Thank you, mate. Nice landy. I learned to drive in one.